Students, welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Krishna sir. Today I am going to teach you class 6, 7 and 8. This is the geography, subject geography. Topic is rainfall. Means this topic is very similar to class 6, 7, 8 rainfall. You know, this rainfall is a very natural phenomenon which occurs when there is a lot of evaporation in the earth's surface, and this evaporation change into condensation, and then condensation change into precipitation. This process is known as rainfall. And here proper definition of rainfall is: rainfall can be defined as the form of precipitation in which water droplets fall from the atmosphere on the earth's surface. You know, there is a circulation of water cycle. When the rainfall occurs, it goes down the earth's surface, and by the sloping of the rain it goes to the oceans, and in the oceans there is evaporation. When there is sunshine, there is evaporation, and in the evaporations all the water will go outside of the earth in the atmosphere, and when you go high and high in the high altitude, the temperature become droplets, it become very droplet, and it change into the little crystal. Suppose you see at your home when you cook something in a big tumbler, boil the waters there, and after that you in the lid there is many droplets are present. That process also is similar to the rainfalls. So rainfall can be defined as a form. It is a precipitation. When the rain condensation change, when the rainfall proceed towards the earth's surface, it is known as precipitation. And there are three kinds of rainfalls. First one, the type of rainfall. The first one is relief. You know what relief rainfall? It occurs when moisture-bearing winds are forced to rise a hill or a mountain and save its moisture in the form of rainfall. Means relief rainfall means when the atmosphere bearing winds take all the atmosphere moisture to the up of the atmosphere, up of the hill or up above the mountain, and it cause a laden wind, and it form towards that area. This process is known as relief rainfall. Means it occurs when moisture bearing winds, when the moisture bearing winds are forced to rise a hill, means the moisture rise the hills go to the atmosphere and mountain, and it set its moisture in the form of rainfall, and it goes down in the below the rainfalls, and it called a heavy rainfall. We know there is a perennial rains also, mountainous, the river also falls down. Second one is convectional rainfall. When the moist air gets heated and rise up in the atmosphere, the air further expands, cools and condenses to form cloud to bring rainfall. We know this when the moist air get heated, when the air is moist air get heated, and it rises up in the atmosphere, very up in the atmosphere, and air further expand, and air fast and cools the moisture later wind. We know when it cools, the clouds become heavy, it goes down, and it occur in the form of precipitation known as rainfall. Third one is cyclonic rainfall. When warm and cold air have different density. You know, warm air and cold warm air very lighter, it go outside the atmosphere, and the cold air is very heavy, it goes below the earth's surface. And this in this case the warm air rises up, and the cold air goes down below the earth. It is lightweight, and while the cold air remains here on the surface, and this causes the conventional cyclonic rainfall. Means today, this topic today is rainfall. I repeat again, what is the definition of rainfall? Rainfall can be defined as a form of precipitation in which water droplets fall from the atmosphere on the earth's surface. This is the definition of rainfall. There are three types of rainfall. First one is relief. It occurs when moistures bearing winds are forced to rise a hill or mountain and set its moisture in the form of rainfall. Second one is convectional rainfall, when the moisture air gets heated and rises up in the atmosphere, and the air further expands, cools and condensated to form the clouds to bring rainfall. Third one is cyclonic rainfall, when warm air and cold air have different densities, they don't mix. In this case, the warm air rises up due to its light weight, while the cold air remains where it is. This is the today's topic is about rainfall and its types. I think all of you understood. If any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day. कितना मिनट बनल सुप्रिया?